What's up, squad? We're hyped because the PPA Tour came true right here in North Carolina. Dito na kami, guys. Welcome. Welcome, PPA Caravana. The best of the best are battling it out. The energy is electric, and we had to pull up and catch every moment. This is our PPA experience. Ben Johns and Gabe Tardio battled Federico Stuxrud and Hayden Patricken in an epic showdown.
Point.
Ben Johns and Gabe took the win. Next up, the Women's Doubles Championship. Powerhouses Georgia Johnson and Tyra Black.
Up next, we have our
Hello, Anna
Women's
Bryce.
Doubles Championship match. And
10-3-2.
There you go. Come back.
Sharing now, guys, kasi medyo tagilid yung sila medyo tagilid sila ni water sa parent too. So kaya mag-video challenge sila. So we'll see. Grabe yung mga people nag-cheer.
After review, the results of the rally stands. The ball was in. Loss of a
It
challenge.
was in,
no
guys.
free challenges remaining.
No
One free
challenges
challenge
remaining.
remaining. To resume play at point 452.
Went head to head and took the title in an epic showdown.
I don't know.
Monday for the very first time. Can he get?
And after all that action, we got to snap a pic with Hurricane Tyra Black herself. After that Women's Doubles Championship, we took a moment to catch our breath before the Mixed Doubles match.
200 points. There you
Yay!
go. Okay, enjoy.
Kaya mo ng thunderstorm, bagyo.
Pollen! Ayun! Pollen na lang.
Pogi! Coming up, Georgia Johnson and JW Johnson are going to head with the top seeds, Annalee Waters
001.
and Ben Johns. The Johnson sibling took the win.
Walang mutin mo sigman para lamot sila. Every time my time out, andun yung nanay.
Oh.
Si Benjan niya, umaalis na eh. Georgie! Si Georgie!
Sir,
Tinagan na siya ni Thunder eh.
thunder na talaga.
Kasi si Thunder, gaganon-ganon yan mamaya. Ha? Si Georgie yan.
Oh, yung suspend. Oh.
Kaya di-practice mo na yung sigaw mo, no? Sabi ko, yung sabi itong mag-date mga to. Kung ako yan, pagod na ako.
Oh, yun nga. Tapos init na init pa.
Grabe talaga, talagang patience. Pwede ka naman magpuan dito?
Park, yun yung sabi nga namin ni Tanya kanina. Spirit moves. Alright guys, so that's it. Yung masasabi ko lang is sa mixed doubles na upset. Na-upset si number 1 na sila ni tawag dito, si Waters.
Reigning number 1.
Reigning number 1. Na-upset sa mixed doubles and at the same time na-upset din nila ni Georgia Johnsons yung sa tawag dito, sa women's doubles. But ganda ng experience. Sarap.
Yung napapanood mo lang dati sa TV, pag sa Philippines, yung gumaganon-ganon yung mata. Kanina, parang up and close and personal talaga with the players. It's a really good experience. You can say na binavalue talaga nila yung sports dito, and there's really a lot of potential for players. While sa country natin, most of the time, mga mayayaman lang yung nakaka-experience ng ganito. So dito, pantay-pantay. Tapos, nakaka-inspire kasi like I'm pushing Mahal here that maybe he can also do it if they can do it, diba? Kasi ang laki ng potential niya, laki ng opportunity dito. Just have to train for it. It's really inspiring na kahit ako,
Kahit sino naman.
kahit ako na hindi magaling sa pickleball na naglalaro lang, mapapa-inspire ka nga na mai-imagine mo na, uy, bigla kang sumakses. Step by step lang. So, yun nga, kung nakaya nila, you just have to have that winning mindset, kumbaga, na
Yun nga, dapat.
kakayanin din.
At yun nga,
At magte-training talaga, yung kumbaga, may kalakip talaga siyang pawis, training, dugo, iyak, sakit sa paa, sakit sa kamay, pero never let go of the dream. It's just amazing lang because if hindi man siya mangyari, I mean, we're still working it out, pero alam mo yun, you can also dream for the next generation, especially pag nagkaanak kami, na dinidream din namin yan sa anak namin na maging athletic, maturuan din siya, ma-expose siya sa mga ganyan. If you enjoy our content, just click the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga content namin.
Yes.
And thank you na din for the support.
Thank you guys. Thank you squad. Bye bye. See ya on our next travel experience adventure.
Bye-bye!
Bye.